Sailfish has built its reputation on precision craftsmanship and top-tier performance, earning a loyal following over the past 30 years. Known for durability and smart engineering, Sailfish center console boats combine innovation with reliability, making them a solid choice for offshore adventures and relaxed cruising. In today's lineup, we're showcasing 5 outstanding Sailfish models under $300,000, each designed to offer a mix of power and comfort. If you're after a fishing powerhouse or a family-friendly ride, these boats will surely deliver unmatched value on the water. This is Roxanne, and welcome to Harbour Masters, your regular dose of information and updates on the latest boats and the best luxury yachts. Securing the 5th spot, the Sailfish 241 balances performance and practicality, making it a solid contender in the center console category. Its streamlined profile isn't just for looks, it enhances hydrodynamics, ensuring smooth, fuel-efficient cruising. The spacious deck layout prioritizes comfort and versatility, with ample seating and cleverly designed storage to accommodate both anglers and leisure boaters. At the helm, intuitive controls and clear sightlines provide confident navigation, while the integrated hardtop delivers essential shade and weather protection, making every trip on the water more enjoyable. Measuring 26 feet or 7.90 meters in length, with a beam of 8 feet 6 inches or 2.59 meters, the Sailfish 241 is engineered for stability and responsiveness, even in challenging waters. Its 8 foot 6 inch or 2.59 meter bridge clearance allows for easy navigation under low clearance structures, adding to its versatility. Weighing 5,000 pounds or 2,268 kilograms, it maintains a steady, comfortable ride at various speeds. Powered by a robust V6 Yamaha F250, this model delivers up to 300 horsepower, pushing it to a top speed of 45 miles per hour or 39 knots. Designed for extended outings with fewer fuel stops, the Sailfish 241 is available starting at $138,000. With its modern design and solid construction, the Sailfish 242 secures the 4th spot on our list. Its sleek, aggressive lines and streamlined profile enhance both speed and efficiency while maintaining a striking presence on the water. The spacious cockpit offers ample seating and well-placed storage, ensuring comfort and practicality for extended outings. At the helm, clear sightlines and an intuitive layout provide precise control, making every trip smooth and enjoyable. At 26 feet or 7.92 meters long, with a 9 foot or 2.74 meter beam, the Sailfish 242 delivers smooth handling across varying sea conditions. Its 8 foot 6 inch or 2.59 meter bridge clearance allows effortless navigation under low bridges, making it ideal for both coastal and inland waterways. Weighing in at 5,600 pounds or 2,880 kilograms, its sturdy hull ensures a stable, dependable ride. Powered by twin Yamaha F150 outboards, producing a combined 300 horsepower, it reaches a top speed of 51.8 miles per hour or 45 knots, offering both power and efficiency. Built for long-range cruising, the Sailfish 242 starts at around $152,000. At number 3, the Sailfish 272 blends a dynamic exterior with a silhouette designed for both seaworthiness and style. Its spacious cockpit offers generous seating, smart storage, and a flexible layout suited for fishing or leisure. The ergonomically designed helm ensures clear visibility and effortless control, enhancing the captain's experience. Inside, premium finishes provide a balance of comfort and durability, making it a solid choice for casual cruising or more demanding open water adventures. With a length of 29 feet 4 inches or 8.94 meters and a beam of 9 feet 1 inch or 2.77 meters, the Sailfish 272 strikes a balance between agility and stability. Its bridge clearance of 8 feet 6 inches or 2.59 meters allows for easy navigation under low-clearance structures, while the 6,850-pound or 3,107-kilogram hull weight ensures a smooth, steady ride, even in rough conditions. Powered by twin outboards from Yamaha or Mercury, delivering up to 400 horsepower, it reaches a top speed of 52 miles per hour or 45 knots. The Sailfish 272 is a top-tier contender in the center console market, starting at $232,000. The Sailfish 290 blends power and practicality, securing its place among the top choices for center console boats. Its exterior features a sleek, aerodynamic profile designed for efficiency and smooth handling. Inside, the spacious deck layout offers comfortable seating and smart storage solutions, ensuring an uncluttered, functional space for fishing or leisure. The helm is designed for easy operation, providing clear sightlines and intuitive controls. Whether navigating open waters or relaxing at anchor, the Sailfish 290 delivers a well-rounded experience suited for any adventure. Measuring 30 feet 6 inches or 9.30 meters in length, with a 9-foot or 2.74 meter beam, the Sailfish 290 is built for strength and stability. Weighing 8,000 pounds or 3,629 kilograms, it maintains a steady ride across varying sea conditions. Powered by twin Mercury 250XL Verado engines, delivering a combined 500 horsepower, this boat reaches an impressive top speed of 58.2 miles per hour or 51 knots. With a 225-gallon or 852-liter fuel capacity, it supports extended trips without frequent refueling. Offering a balance of speed, endurance, and comfort, the Sailfish 290 currently starts at $250,000. Before showing our top pick, give us a thumbs up if you're enjoying this video and leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, so you won't miss the next one. The Sailfish 312 claims the top spot with a striking design built for speed and style. Its bold, angular lines and low-profile structure give it a commanding presence, while the spacious deck offers ample room for passengers and gear, ensuring easy movement in any activity. Inside, the well-appointed layout features premium materials, smart storage options, and plush seating designed for long days on the water. Whether for fishing or cruising, the 312 delivers a refined experience without compromising on performance. The Sailfish 312 is built for extended trips. With a 265-gallon or 1,167-liter fuel capacity and twin Yamaha F300 V6 engines, delivering a combined 800 horsepower. At 32 feet 6 inches or 9.91 meters in length and 9 feet 9 inches or 2.97 meters in beam, it balances stability with agility, performing well in various sea conditions. Capable of reaching a top speed of 54.5 miles per hour or 47 knots, the Sailfish 312 delivers power and endurance. It's a strong contender for those seeking top-tier performance and reliability, priced from $288,000. These Sailfish boats under $300,000 offer a strong mix of performance, comfort, and reliability. Which center console fits your ideal boating experience? Which other boating brands would you like us to showcase next? Let us know in the comments. Be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon for the latest content and share this video with fellow boating enthusiasts. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Smooth sailing!